Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son Michael. And
hey
today,
everyone.
Guys, I want to show you guys how to make a grilled ham and cheese sandwich, or grilled ham and cheese sandwich. And what I like to do is, this is my toaster. As you can see, I already toasted the bread, but only on one side. See? Because if I only toast it on one side, it gives me the advantage of me taking some butter and laying some butter over that. Now this, it should be a little bit hot, this pan, and you'll see what I'm going to be doing with that. So my dad used to make our ham and cheese sandwiches just like this. Sometimes we didn't have our sliced white bread. This one is from the deli, and they just cut it there. So what I did was, like you can see, I toasted only on one side of the bread. Then after I did that, I'm gonna put 3 slices of cheddar cheese. This is the big sharp pieces, and sharp 2 cheddar. Big slices of ham, forest ham. And I just apply this on the side that is toasted, and I'm gonna cover it with the side that is toasted.
That's right.
That's gonna leave me, okay, on this side, that's gonna leave me with the 2 pieces of bread here to get ready to toast and put it here. Now this is warm a little bit, and I just like sprinkle a little bit of olive oil from this before we went live. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it over here, move it like this, okay? And it's on low because we wanna leave it on low. And I'm gonna take my smasher. If you guys don't have one of this is good for like steaks and chicken. You know, if you don't have one of these, you can always put anything that is heavy, even like you can take a pan or a dish and push it down with your hand and just pay attention to it. So we're gonna put it like this until it's nice and brown on that side. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, and I'm gonna bring this like to 3, which is like on low, but a low kind of like medium because it's 3, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna be right back. As soon as this is brown, it's gonna take like a minute to get brown all the way. I'm gonna keep on pressing this because I want that cheese to go through them 2 pieces of bread. And then, hold on a second guys, I don't want you guys to go. Let's see if it's starting to brown. I think it is. You see? I can hear that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna lower this, maybe turn it off, put this on like that, and I'm gonna cover it because I want that cheese to melt the only way. So I'm gonna do this also like this, guys. Let me take a bigger look and cover that. Okay, you can stay with me because it is gonna be pushing that down there. So you can see on low like that. And that's how I make my grilled ham and cheese grilled sandwiches on white bread. You can put it on any type of bread of your choice that you like. You know, diet bread. With that thing that makes the bread roll. What do you call it? Some French bread. If you want to use any kind of bread that you want to use, you can actually make it out of bagel if you want to, and just toast the inside of the bagel. If you don't have a toaster that toasts on the inside, only toast all 4 together, you can put it on a pan very low. We don't even have to go on bread, guys, because I'm gonna stay here with you guys. As you can see, the cheese is melting, and it's gonna start melting on this side too. So here we go, and we're gonna leave this here for another, can you hear that guys? For another like 10-15 seconds. Let's count together. What do you think, Mike? 10, 9, come on, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
I like my cheese really
3,
melted.
2, and 1. Well, that is melted enough. You see what I'm saying? Look how it is. And this is very good. And if you can have this like with a cup of coffee, or you can make French fries if you want. You can make it for your kids. You can get 2 big pieces of bread and just then cut them like in little tiny pieces. Guys, let me take my piece of butter that I have. Excuse me, my cololo. And look at my babies, how they are. Just looking at all that. I'm gonna bring it over here so everybody can, sorry, my cololo. Put it over here, and as you can see, it's melted good enough. Go ahead and try a piece, Michael. It's very nice and crispy. So here is your ham and cheese sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich from Cindy's Home Kitchen. I hope you guys like it. You can make it real quick. You can change whatever you want on the inside. If you stay tuned, I'm gonna make another one, but this one with turkey, okay? So stay tuned, don't go away. Love you all, and remember, don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching.